Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial video. So this video is going to be a very short video. Okay, I'm going to help you unblock your blocked SIM cards. Okay, so most people got their SIM cards blocked because they couldn't link their Ghana cards to their SIM cards, and then this led to most people losing money because most people had their money on their Momo numbers. Okay, example MTN Momo number. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock your blocked SIM cards. So first, this video is in two parts. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for those who have Ghana cards and those who do not have Ghana cards. Okay, so in case you don't have a Ghana card, I'll also show you an approach to unblock your blocked SIM card. And then those who have Ghana card at the moment, I'll also show you the step-by-step on how to unblock your SIM cards. Right, so in case you are new to this channel or your first time watching a video, I would urge you to subscribe to our channel, because this is the kind of videos we upload on this channel. Okay, we help those who are in need of these or have encountered challenges and then they need to they need help to resolve them. Okay, like the video and share to your friends, because without sharing, most people whose SIMs have been blocked will not be able to unblock them. Okay, and then again, kindly like this video so that the YouTube algorithm help push it to people who are also in need, just like someone like this video and then you are watching it right now. Without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So first, what will take you through the process for those who have their SIM Ghana cards. Okay, as I initially stated, I'll go through for those who have their Ghana cards and those who do not have their Ghana cards. Now, for those who have their Ghana cards, just dial this code, okay, *404#. After dialing this code, just follow the procedure to link your Ghana card to your SIM card. For me, I've already done that. That's why you could see this message. Okay, that's why you could see this message. But for you, you could notice that you'll be prompted to follow certain procedures in order to link it. So after doing that, just go straight to your network provider. Okay, so the shops where you find these MTN guys and Vodafone guys, okay, go there and then they'll help you link your Ghana card, okay, to your SIM card. That is for those who have their Ghana cards available. Now let's move on to those who do not have their Ghana cards available. Again, in case you are enjoying this video, like, share, and then in case you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. We'll try and respond to them as soon as possible. Now, for those who do not have their Ghana cards, this is what you have to do. First, maybe you have a letter issued by the NIA. Okay, in case you have a letter issued by the NIA, in case you don't know what the NIA is, the National Identification Authority. Okay, send that letter to the NCA, okay, National Communication Authority. Send that letter to the NCA. They'll help you they'll help you unblock your blocked SIM cards. Now that's another approach. The other approach is that I'll leave a WhatsApp number, an email address, and then a toll-free call line where you can call and then ask NCA to unblock your blocked SIM cards. Okay, they will take you through process or procedures to be able to unblock your SIM cards. Okay, so the first method was for those who had their Ghana card, and then this second one was for those who do not have Ghana card but they would like to unblock their blocked SIM cards. So after doing this, you have your blocked SIM cards, okay, unblocked, so that you get access to your mobile money wallet back and then your telephone number. Okay, right. So in case you enjoy this or watching this video, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like the video, share, and in case you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. We'll respond to them as soon as possible. Have a lovely day, and I will see you in our next video.